Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Carlton London Cosmetic DAZZLUXE gift set, a 4-piece pack designed for girlfriends and wives featuring a luxury perfume, matte, lipstick, eyeliner, and kajal, all crafted to bring premium glam to your routine, perfect for gifting or treating yourself. Let's dive in and see if this set dazzles as promised. First up, the packaging. It's chic, elegant, and screams luxury. The box is sturdy and gift-ready, shipped by Progressive Lifestyles Pivet Limited on Amazon. Everything arrived pristine. Starting with the perfume, it's a 30ml eau de parfum from their Dazzle range with floral fruity notes. I spritzed it on my wrist, and it's captivating. A blend of rose orange and musk that's fresh yet sultry, lasted a solid 6-7 hours, perfect for date night or festive vibes. Next, the matte lipstick, a 1.7ml mini in a bold shade. I swiped it on and it's highly pigmented, smudge-proof and transfer-proof. Stayed vibrant through coffee and feels comfy. Love that long wear finish. The sketch eyeliner is jet black and precise. I drew a sharp wing and it glided on smooth, waterproof and stayed put all day. No flaking here. Finally, the kajal, creamy and intense. I lined my waterline and it's smudge-proof with a velvety finish. Lasted hours without fading. A total eye definer. This set's marketed as a complete beauty combo, premium quality with skin-friendly formulas. Not over-the-top luxury, but for the price, it's a steal, ideal for gifting or travel. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video with a full look using this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this Carlton London DAZZLUXE set or what you want to see next, maybe a wear test. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together, beauties. See you soon.